I call Lake Placid. Will you help me? This guy says, how old are you? I said, 21. He started laughing. He says, 21, forget it, man, you're way too old. We start them off when they're 10 years old. By now, you have 10 years experience. No way, no way. I didn't know what to do. I thought they were gonna welcome me with open arms, and here this guy's laughing at my dream. I mean, you guys ever have somebody laugh at your dream? Stinks, doesn't it? Yeah. But when they do, you just ran into somebody that doesn't believe as much as you do. They have a belief problem, not you. And they try to belittle you because you'll make them look bad if you reach your dream. So you disassociate from them and you come over here and you get yourself some big dreamers. Because a dreamer will never be understood by a non-dreamer. They just won't. They're a different animal. So you hang out with these guys.